So I bought this new Veto pack, Veto Tech pack. $300 in all this growlery. And I'm disappointed. Very disappointed. This pack here and boast and announces several pockets, several storage areas, right? You know, yeah, I don't disagree with that. For example, like this pocket right here. Well, what am I going to store there? I mean, you comment in the comment section. Well, what will I be storing over here? So $300 in. This one here was only, it was less than $200, less than 200. I think it was like $195 or something like that. And this one here held everything, right? Everything that I'm trying to put in this Veto. That you see there's like mad stuff left and this thing is already full. All right, there's like, I got mad stuff, I got mad tools on the ground. You know what I'm saying? Mad tools on the ground. And this thing's already full. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I mean, I'm disappointed. You know, this is, I mean, anyone who's looking to buy a Veto Pro pack, I think you should really consider your options, because the hype doesn't really, it's just that, it's just the hype. It is a good, well-built bag. I'm gonna say that. It's well-built. This bag is solid as far as the build quality. You know, the build quality is good. Way better than this build quality, right? But the storage, this little bag right here, let me put it side by side to compare it. This little bag right here, you know, outdid the Veto. Does that? So compared to the Veto, you could see the comparison, right? It's smaller. Like if you look at it physically, it looks smaller. But yeah, it holds more. I still have stuff in here that I didn't remove as yet. You know, back here. Stuff back there that I didn't remove as yet. And the Veto is pretty much, the front section is full already. And back here, I mean, I got to figure, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to fit all this stuff in there. It's like $300 wasted, man. Yeah, mad. Very disappointed. I mean, again, disappointment is in the storage capacity of this backpack right here, or this tool bag. The storage capacity is trash. The build quality is awesome. I give them that. Way better for build quality than this bag right here. But all these pockets and storage compartments and all its glory, I mean, it's kind of useless. Like you don't need all these pockets. You know what I'm saying? What you need is more capacity, right, in between the bag. I think that's what this thing is lacking. It's just too narrow here. This one here is able to spread out. You know what I'm saying? It's like wider. I don't know. I'm just ranting right now. I just figured I'd just do this video and just throw it up there for you guys. If you're thinking about getting a Veto pack, you might want to think twice. Because I went with all its glory. It's the most popular one. You know what I'm saying? Most popular one on out there. And I thought this was all good, so I went and got it. Comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this bag and your experience with it. All right?